loving. Pop right on up. Sunshine, blue skies, pleasant thoughts flow through my mind. Sunshine, blue skies, it happens every time I ride. And down came the rain and pissed on me. Down came the rain and pissed on me. Down came the rain, pissed in my pen, I'm pissed again. My pissy disposition pissed off my friends, so now I'm alone in my Gemini zone. I'm sorry, dude, but solitude feels like home. It's not strange that change breeds pain, forever changing. So I'm known to sing songs of suffering. So when the going gets tougher than the last time I rhyme, I tend to shine and come up again. Pitch black's the name. I'm compelled to spit the game of life. My strife, my claim to fame is to go out on a limb, shed some light on the dim, rise in enterprise when situations look grim. He's more clever when stormy weather falls down on him, and y'all frown on him, and pressure by pounds on him. Him got bounce, so you can count on him to bring it like you love it. Pitch black, yeah, true blue, no shame. I thought you knew. We do this damn thing. My impromptu is cuckoo when I woo, cause my boo love. And I'm so lonely, only self and treble clef. The true love of my life, my spiritual wife, the joy inside my tears, but these ain't tears of joy, yet the plights of Richard Wright, cause when I write, I'm black boy. Oh, 47 the king, I bring the slang of my yang, cause my yin don't mean a thing if I don't bang or bling bling. Of the ignorant, I'm green, cause if they don't know, hell, they don't know. Yet for those of us who do, we are held accountable, which makes it hard to stay serene. No wonder Black Boy sings a song of sick shit, pocket full of rocks back on the block with a biscuit, twisted thoughts again, I'm caught by my emotions. So much for the notion of me gloating with my pen floating in the sunshine, blue skies, pleasant thoughts, peace of mind. Shit happens, things change. Cloudy skies, oh, here comes the rain and pissed in my pen, I'm pissed again. My pissy disposition pissed off my friends, so now I'm alone in my Gemini zone. Fuck away from me, dude. Solitude's my new home. I live in a glass house, but shit, I throw bricks, fuck a stick, and I stay stoned. See, folks' words reflect intellect, yet their souls are gone. Spirit collapse, literally tap bone dry. But I was the wrong guy to get. You, and you. It was gossip. Only appeared to be down. I concealed my crown, painted the perfect picture which portrays the tears of a clown. Compiled my trials on top of truth, wondering who would stick around, wondering who would choose deceit. With efforts to compete with the frown that was purposely painted upside down. Boy, you thought you spit me. You was focused on the messenger, but didn't heed the message from the one who sent me. This body is lit. For those that don't know him, he's like, Craig, show him, so here's a hint. He, for what it's worth. left me basic instructions before leaving Earth. Basic instructions before leaving Earth. What was I to do? Told me to give them to you. Love one. Shit, man, I thought you knew. Pen name, Pitch Black. But love made Craig blue. That's that peace. Word sound power Wednesday. We just pop right on, you dig? Gonna go right into a set. That's Pitch Black, baby. Yes. Feeling it. We gonna do too much talking. I wasn't supposed to be here. I don't want to say the wrong things. We just gonna listen to some music. Word, sound, power. Word, sound, power. Word, sound, power. Wednesday. Go over to YouTube, IG, please. Please meet me at Twitch or at YouTube, because I'm gonna get off the stream. I'm just playing music, and I'll just be on Twitch and YouTube. Yo, follow me over here on IG. It's Disco Juice _official. This the new world. It's New World Boogie, baby. New World Boogie. We ain't playing.